Welcome to ClearTask. Today we're looking at how to create dotted fonts in Microsoft Word. This is perfect for creating tracing letters or practice worksheets, and you don't need any special software to do it. We will cover two simple methods. Let's begin with Word's built-in tools. Open your document, type your text, and highlight it. Increase the font size so it's clearly visible, and make the text bold. With your text still highlighted, go to the font group on the home ribbon, click the text effects and typography icon. It looks like a blue outlined letter A. Go down to outline and choose a dark color, like black. Next, change your main font color to white. Your text will now look like a hollow outline. To make those lines dotted, click the text effects icon again. Go to outline, hover over dashes, and select the square dot option. If the dots look too faint, you can go back into the outline menu, select weight, and make the lines thicker. Any new text you type on this line will automatically keep this dotted style. For an alternative method, you can install a custom font. This is much faster if you plan to create a lot of worksheets. Open your web browser and search for a free dotted text font. A very popular and reliable choice is called KG Primary Dots. Download the font file, open it, and click Install. Restart Microsoft Word so it recognizes the new edition. Highlight your text, go to the font drop-down menu, and select your newly installed dotted font. The text will convert instantly. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick guides.